Hello and welcome to Tax Tips by Softron Tax. Today we are going to talk about things to keep in mind while leaving Canada. Did you know your tax obligation don't stop just because you're moving abroad? The first step is super important. Record your exact date when you are leaving Canada. The Canada Revenue Agency has some rules for you to follow before and after you leave Canada. This date will be the key when filing your taxes and notifying CR about your move. Now let's move on to residential ties. These include owning a home, having a family, and memberships in Canada. If you cut all your residential ties and move to another country, you are considered as an immigrant for tax purposes. But if you keep your residential ties, you are considered as an factual resident. While if you move to a country which has a tax treaty with Canada, you are considered as a deemed non-resident. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for filing your taxes correctly. For the first year, you file your taxes as an immigrant. From the next year, you file it as a non-resident, reporting only your Canadian sourced income. It's a straightforward transition, but knowing when and what to file is important for staying compliant. In addition, when you leave Canada, benefits like HST GST, Canada Child Benefit, and Canada Carbon Rebate will discontinue. Be sure to notify CRA of your departure date so that they can update your records. This would help avoid any further confusion and overpayments in the future. When you leave Canada, you may have deemed to have sold certain properties like shares or collectibles at their fair market value. It is important to ensure that everything is accurately reported to the CR. Next, let's not forget about your TFSA. You can keep it when you leave Canada, but there is a catch. But as a non-resident, you can't contribute to it or grow your contribution group. But guess what? The good news is your investment income and withdrawals remain tax-free, which means your TFSA is a valuable asset. And there you have it, a simple guide to managing your taxes when you live in Canada. To summarize, check your residential ties, keep filing your taxes on time, and keep your records updated with the CRA. Until next time, follow and like us for more tax tips.